Well, if you had a chance to spend any time outdoors at all today, you notice the heat is on. Summer begins tomorrow, so we're going to call this summer-like heat for today. Lots of sunshine out there. High resolution visible satellite imagery just shows some puffy fair weather cumulus clouds moving through the area. So nothing really to filter out the sunshine for us. So those temperatures have been really able to heat up. Check it out right now. Mid to upper 90s for most locations. 95 degrees at the airport in Dothan. 84 for Crestview. That's because there is a shower rolling through that part of the panhandle, but elsewhere it's been pretty dry. When you factor in the humidity levels, which have been pretty oppressively high as far as those levels, dew point temperatures in the 60s and 70s, you get heat indices that are well over 100 degrees for most of our reporting sites. 104 for Bonifay, Donaldsonville as well, 101 for Bainbridge, 99 for us here in Dothan. And if you're lucky enough to have a shower move through your neighborhood, that will briefly cool it off, but it's just going to add to that moisture content in the atmosphere and make it feel pretty oppressive. As far as action radar, just tracking some activity along Interstate 10 near Crestview, and that's really already starting to die off as it's moving over in the easterly direction there. And as far as those temperatures over the next few days, there is not going to be much relief from this heat at all. Mid to upper 90s expected for the duration of the forecast period. The heat index temperatures are going to be well over 100 degrees for the next 7 days, at least in the next 5 days here, over 102 degrees. So make sure you try to stay cool and certainly stay hydrated if you have anything to do outdoors. Take plenty of breaks if you're going to be in the sun, and then maybe head to the pool if you can. Just keep an eye to the sky. Tomorrow afternoon we will have some pop-up showers and thunderstorms rolling through the area after lunchtime. 96 degrees for our high temperature, so a nice dip in the pool will help to relieve things a bit, but it's going to be pretty short-lived once you get out. That high pressure is in control of our weather right now, drifting a lot of moisture off the Gulf of Mexico ahead of a cold front, which will eventually come into the southeast and enhance our rain chances. But as this high begins to weaken over the next couple days, we do have a better chance of a few pop-up showers or storms, but only topping out right around 30% the way things stand right now. As far as what we expect overnight and for the next couple days, we have the best rain chances to our northwest. Temperatures overnight will still be pretty toasty in the 80s and upper 70s for the most part. Already in the upper 80s by tomorrow morning, just before lunchtime. Most of the rain will be staying to our northwest, and as that line is able to make its way through here, it will die off a bit, so that's why our rain chance is going to be on the lower end of the scale, and we'll have a mix of sun and clouds as we head into Friday. But that's when we do have a better chance of maybe some more thunderstorm activity for us here in the Wiregrass. As far as closer to home for us, temperatures staying pretty warm as we head into the evening hours. 2:45 in the morning, still in the 80s for a lot of locations. Then by tomorrow morning, it's not going to be cooling off much by sunrise, but then as we head into lunchtime, really heating up nicely. Well, maybe not so nicely if you have to be outdoors, in the mid and upper 90s. 80s then tomorrow evening with a few showers rolling through the area. So for tonight, overall, we're going to be looking at a low temperature of 75 degrees here in Dothan. Certainly a warm night. For tomorrow, pretty hot, 96 degrees. A few thunderstorms will be with us, and that's going to be the trend for the next several days. Looks like a little bit lower of a rain chance as we head into Sunday. 96 degrees for the afternoon high temperature. Then the lower end rain chances return Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. Summer begins tomorrow morning just after 5 a.m.